back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. But it is super cold today. It was 75 degrees yesterday. It was 32 degrees this morning. As you can see, I got my Mississippi State Go Bulldogs. I got my beanie on, got my jacket on. Super, super cold. But I just wanted to introduce you guys to my new truck, 2022 Ram Limited 1500. I traded in the 2020 3500. It wasn't feasible for what I originally got it to do. I was usually supposed to tow and go to a bunch of races, but my car broke in the beginning of 21 because of the supply chain issues. I never got it done till all the parts until September. Then September rolled around. Then I dropped it off to get wrapped, and it's still down there in Miami. I'm gonna be picking that up sometime this month. More to come on that, and then also I'll have the reveal to show you guys what I went with the wrap. But this is Atticus. As you guys know from before, that I name all of my vehicle after gladiators. And this one is Atticus. Car's Maximus. The other truck was Animaeus. The other truck was Brutus, and so forth. But yeah, this is the 2022 Ram 1500 Limited. I'm gonna go over some of the basic features and why I picked this one in particular. I kind of not say ordered it, but I had to go and get it from somewhere because certain features that I want. I want it to be black on black, to go back to my black on black with a black guy in it roots. Just kidding. But if this is your first time, or not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding for future upload, like, share, and comment on the videos. I got a whole bunch of content coming for 2022. I took the end of 2021 off, and we're gonna get the ball rolling here. So this is the first video of 2022 to show you guys Atticus. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around and show you guys the truck, and then there'll be a whole bunch of videos and different things that I plan on doing. Either gonna ceramic coat it or I'm gonna wrap it. Not a graphic wrap or anything. I'm gonna go one solid color on the wrap. So more to come on that as well. So let me show you guys a little bit about the truck. So here it is. It has the new sport hood with the vents right there, then the e-torque up there, then some more vents at the top right there. I got the 22-inch wheels. Gonna change those out. Probably black this out. See, I got the tints on there. Already got it tinted all the way around. Open it up. Got the black badging. Got the power running boards. The other thing that I really like about this is it has the air suspension on it. And the other thing that I got on here, which I didn't think I was gonna like at first, but I end up liking it more than I thought and use it more, is this split tailgate. So you hit this right here and it opens up like this. It already came Rhino line from the factory, and it came with the factory tonneau cover, which is good for now, but I don't like it, so I'm going to change it to a flat roll-up style. But I do like this multi-function tailgate. It opens up like this. Get a lot closer in here, and I didn't think I would like it, but I like it more than I thought I would. And then of course it still opens up the regular way like that, so it's pretty cool. Come with the black tips. Oh, that's just a little dust. I thought I already got a scratch on it. But yeah, that's pretty much just the exterior of it right here. So it looks really, really, really good. It's pretty sharp, so can't lie about that. And then with the air suspension, you could lower it and raise it with the key fob. So I'm gonna hit this 2 times. I'm not sure if you could see it. You see it going down in the front? then goes down in the back, and then comes back down lower again in the front. And that's called the entry and exit mode. Open up, we're gonna go inside. Got the little limited statue with the, I don't know if it's real or fake wood grain. Gotta have your tree air freshener. The heated steering wheel with the fake wood grain on it. Also, these with the new night edition, they come with the blacked out Ram badges, because usually these be chrome, and then also these have the little the black accents on it, and then this is also metal, because this one has the 12 system Harman Kardon system. So far I've put what, 2,000 miles. I drove it down to South Florida for Christmas, and one of the main features that I do like is I got the whole panoramic sunroof. Got the captain's chairs with the split here, and this one has the wireless charging, the big screen, black seats with the stitching, heated and cooled seats, little stitching right here. This have the little stitching right here. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so it's not bad for the sunroof. Everything else up here, that's standard. Let's go to the back. So for the back, you can see my dog food. These back seats do recline. This one is reclined out compared to that one, so it slides forward. There's a little grip right there that you grip, and then let me move my golf shoes out the way, and then it also, you probably can't see under there, but it has a tray that you could make out to put stuff in it. These do have the heated back seats. They do have heated and cool, but I have the heated back seats. I don't need the kids to be too comfortable back here, then they don't always want to ride with me. And then it has the 12 speaker system. I like this, kind of separate them. It also has a little cubby holder, a lot of cup holders, more cup holders. So got the little badge. I did buy the all weather floor mats, and I took the other floor mats out. So yeah, guys, just as I say, it's just a quick video. Do have the metal grates on here. It's got a little stitching, some little fake wood grain in the back too. Got the little cowboy stitching up here. It's dark and dark. So as I said, I like it. I'm gonna do a couple of other videos for you guys. I'm gonna go over the infotainment system in another video, because this one is new for 2021. I'm gonna tell you guys a few problems with them, and I'm also gonna have to tell you guys, even with it brand new, they already had to replace this screen. And this is the new, I want to say the 5th gen or whatever they call it, is the new one, which I'm getting used to it, so it's not bad, but I'll go over that in another video. Don't want to make this one too long. I said it's pretty nice, and let me know, what would you guys do to it? I am thinking about changing the wheels to either, no, I'm gonna go 24s. I was gonna go 26, but that's too high, and plus I'm gonna be towing, so I rather feel better with the 24s over the 26s. So there it is. Atticus looks pretty good if you ask me, but more videos to come on this, guys. I said I really like this truck. I love this truck more than my 3500, and it's about, originally started, it's about $10,000 cheaper than the 3500. So the next video I'll kind of go over the cost, how much this truck stickers out for, how much I paid for it, and what I plan on doing with it. So pretty much that's just a quick, just a quick video introducing you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, missionfly_garage, I usually post videos and little reels there sooner. But again, guys, definitely appreciate everyone who's rocked with me so far and continue to support me. So definitely got a bunch of stuff and possibly some giveaways coming in 2022 to just, you know, show you guys that I appreciate the support that you guys given me. And definitely, as I said, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, definitely share, and definitely subscribe, because most of the, say, like 90 something percent of the people who watch the videos don't subscribe. It don't cost you a thing. It's free. 2022, tap that subscribe button. We going up, free 99. Thanks again for watching the videos. Peace.